Welcome to RPF. In this video, we'll discuss about automation anywhere PDF inscriptions. Whenever we are working into any process that always require PDF data extractions. To protect those informations, we can use your encryptions method. So if you can see here, I dragged and dropped PDF encryptions document actions, and from here, I'm selecting the path. Once I will select the path, the file is available, and after that, I will enter user password. To secure the password, I am protecting here in insecure string and will select print, copy these methods. These are the encryptions label. If you want, we can select any of those encryptions label and proceed it further. So 128-bit is much more secure. That's the reason I'm selecting RC4 128-bit. And here I wanted to store the encrypted informations into different file. That's the reason I'm selecting here. And you can also switch the different encryptions method. Suppose that we'll save the code and run the flow. Now our execution is completed. Let me open the encrypted output file where I will just go to the encryptions, and from here we'll try to open in Adobe where it will ask me to enter the password. So whatever password I define, once I will enter those password, then only I will be able to see the PDF informations. You can see here printing options. So permissions details are which all things are allowed and which all things are not allowed. All those informations are listed here. Now I will try to open it again and enter the second password. Here I can see the permission detail. Filling the form fields, everything is allowed except the document assembly part, which is not allowed into the automations. So user passwords and owner password based on the both the passwords will have those informations available. Now let me try and see the input or informations what we have. So allowed users to perform specific operations on the encrypted PDF file, and the owner passwords are allow user to see the informations what they will have in the permissions. Let me drag and drop other activity, that is decrypt document. So whenever encryptions is ready, we can also decrypt those documentations. We'll select the file, enter the credentials, and save this document as whatever file name we want, we can provide it here. Now we'll enter here the password which we have defined in previous step, and after that finally I wanted to store this file with different name. Without password it won't open and we won't be able to see the results. So after the invoice file, I wanted to just add decrypt file name so that we will have the file informations available. Override file with the permissions, we have to check it, and then we'll save the code and try to execute the process again to see the final result. Now execution is completed. Let me see the art file which contains decrypt informations. So whenever I will launch this file with Adobe or at Adobe Reader, here it will not ask us to enter the password because we decrypted it with the help of automations. So this is how quickly you can encrypt and decrypt any documentations or PDF file to make informations secured. So that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. Thank you for watching.